Hi there, I'm Wayne Sadin. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Future CXO and Board of Acceleration Economy, where we're going to do 2 minutes of tech talk for the top executive. This episode has a sponsor. It's brought to you by Cloud Wars Expo, running June 28th to 30th at Moscone Center in San Francisco, California, where I'll be leading tracks and sessions alongside Bob Evans, founder of Cloud Wars, and the rest of my Acceleration Economy analyst colleagues. Go to cloudwarsexpo.com to learn more and join me there, please.
Can you feel the energy and optimism the cloud has created? Its impact on everything from the way healthcare is delivered to how we order dinner. And this is just the beginning. The door to our digital future with the cloud is just starting to open. Join thousands of CXOs June 28th to 30th in San Francisco, California at Cloud Wars Expo to explore this digital future.
So today we're going to talk about saving money in IT. And this episode is devoted to the CFO in the audience. I just spoke to a number of CFOs in Australia, New Zealand, and I've been thinking about how we work together. So here's the challenge. We're always about efficiency, right? So I'm the CIO, and I've been a CIO for 30 years, and they're always after me, save money, Wayne, save money. So I can take the IT budget and I'll cut it. I'll cut it dramatically. Let's say we cut it by 5%. Now, the typical IT budget represents 0.8 to about 2% of sales. So let's say I got a 1.5% budget, and I'm going to cut it 5%. I'm going to cut it 10%. What have I saved the company? 0.15% of sales or 0.075% of sales. And that's meant a big cut to the IT budget. But what have I accomplished overall in the company? So here's my discussion with CFOs. Think about leverage. Think about that 1.5% of the budget you spend on IT and what it does to the overall efficiency of the company, both digital optimization and digital transformation. So I want to challenge you, CFOs and CEOs in the room. Tell IT you want them to be more efficient and you want them to take a cut in their day-to-day maintenance of what they do. But then I challenge you to reinvest that and put that 0.15% of sales back into improving something. Maybe something in manufacturing, maybe something in sales, maybe something in accounting and finance. But let's get the leverage of that tiny little slice of the budget that IT generates and use it to produce top-line growth. Use it to produce efficiencies in the middle and drop that to the bottom line. And don't challenge IT so much with being efficient. Challenge them with helping the business become effective. And that's today's 2 minutes of tech talk for the top executive. Thank you for joining me.